Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of trading basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you download Coinbase application into your Android phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Play Store application into your phone. And after opening Play Store, just simply open the search tab and search for Coinbase into there. After searching the Coinbase, this application with blue and white logo named Coinbase by Bitcoin and Ether will appear. Just simply click into that button and then click to this install button. After doing this process, your Coinbase application will successfully be downloaded into your phone depending on your internet connection. And when this process will be done, you can easily log in into your account and surf the world of Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.